Hi and welcome to the Commando demo video. Commando is a command lines based to-do manager. Let's take a look at the program. On the top we have a table where all the tasks are kept. And over here we have a feedback area for system messages. And over here is the input for commands. And finally the help button. Let's see how we can start using the program. Here's a list of commands. There's add, edit, delete, and some other commands. Let's start with the basics and add a few tasks into the program. We start by typing dash to signify a command, followed by add. Here you can see the autocomplete feature. Pretty neat, huh? Followed by the description of the task. Here we'll type CS2103 project submission. Followed by dash date, 7 November 2011, and followed by time at 1 AM. Now we'll press enter. And as you can see, the task has been successfully added into the program. Now let's add another task. This time we'll type dash add MA1521 tutorial, followed by dash date, 10 November 2011. As you can see here, I did not add the time field for this task. By doing so, Commando will use the entire day as the deadline for the task. This automatically sets the time to 11:59 PM, 1 minute before midnight. Let's add one more task. Type dash add CS2105 assignment dash date 8 November 2011 dash time 1300 hours. There we go. As you can see, the tasks are naturally sorted according to deadlines, with the earlier deadlines on top. Let's say that my professor was really nice and extended the submission deadline of my assignment. We can make the changes in Commando. Let's type dash edit 2 for the task ID, dash date to the new date, 11 November 2011. Enter. And here you can see the changes have been made to the table. Okay, now let's assume that I finished my math tutorial. We can make the update to Commando. We type dash done, 2 for the task ID. And now, the task is off the list. The task is not deleted off Commando, but has been moved to the done list, which will be shown later on in the video. Okay, let's continue. I want to add 2 more tasks to the list. I'm going to type dash add, attend birthday party on 17 November 2011. And that's been added to the list. I'll add another one. Dash add, buy birthday present on 12 November 2011 at 12 PM. Notice how I use on and at this time instead of date and time. This to give the user flexibility. Let's say that I realize that I might not be in town during the birthday. I can undo the task additions in Commando. Simply type dash undo 2 for the last 2 commands. There you go. The commands have been removed from the list. Now let's say that I decided that I am able to attend the birthday party. I can redo the actions by typing dash redo 2 for the last 2 commands. And there you go, it's back on the list. Now I've successfully finished my 2105 assignment. Let me mark it as done. And it's off the list. We can view all the tasks that I've done by simply typing dash display, done, enter. Here the list will display all the tasks that I've finished. To go back, we can type dash display, undone. And now we're back to the list of to-dos. Commando is able to share task information with other people. Simply type dash share, the task ID, let's say 3, followed by the email address of the person. Press enter, and now task has been emailed successfully to my friend. I've actually just shared it in my own email, so let's check my inbox. Over here you can see the email. In it is the task information. There's event, date and time. You can use this feature to send reminders to yourself or friends, or just simply to share information with other people. Now let's add one last item to the list. Go type add, buy supper by 12:30. And as you can see, Commando will give you reminders from its system tray icon. This means that Commando can run in the background while you're busy doing your other work. Let Commando remember the tasks for you, while you tackle the tasks themselves. Commando, the to-do manager.